Hey guys, we're here at the Santa Margarita River Trail Preserve. We're here for our first time, checking it out, and see what happens. No fishing here. We are on preserve property. So there's a bunch of little fish. Look like mosquito fish. But it's pretty cool. Okay guys, so far the hike's been pretty cool. We're not that far into it yet, but it's nice. Parking lot's a little small, but we had to wait about 20 minutes before we got a parking space. And we just seen our first snake. Nice gopher snake. Going a little fast, but can get him on video. We got tarantula hawk. See him right there? Okay guys, if I could find any history of this place, I know there's a railroad that came through here. Was washed away in a flood in 1816. I'll see what kind of history I can find. It'll be in the description. Like I was saying, this is a part of the Wildlands Conservancy. It's one of their newer preserves. This will be the 8th preserve that Susan and I have been to. Christina's only been to 7. And this one's actually pretty nice. This is not a place for Karens. You notice we got 12 of them, and they're just here for art. Well, watch this. Please, guys. No Karens. Oh, that was a fail. Hey guys, it's Mike. We just seen a rattlesnake. Didn't get on video, sorry. But we're here at the Santa Margarita River Trail Preserve. And if you like what you've seen, please like,
comment, and subscribe.
And you guys be safe out there. Watch out for snakes. It's snake season.